Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just recently did that Lamborghini Countach unboxing, the Fujimi. I had not too long ago got this kit off of eBay. It's a Testors. I can't remember how to pronounce it. Darn it, I never can. I always say it's a Italeri, maybe. So Italeri. Testors boxed it. Lamborghini Diablo. This car, the Countach was like the grandfather to me of supercars or exotics, as far as my perspective as a kid coming up. And then this guy came out, and it was bad to the bone. And I can remember telling my mom, we were in the grocery store one day, and I don't know if she remembers this, and I've already told this story before. I think it was a lottery, some big lottery. I'm like, Mom, if we win the lottery, I'd really like to have a Lamborghini Diablo. It never happened, by the way, but I do got one right here. So, Mom, I got my Lamborghini. But this was a cool car, so cool. They made an all-wheel drive version. I don't know if they all were, but I know they did. But anyway, so I just want to open it up. This is a more simplistic kit. This is nothing like the Fujimi kit, because this is a curbside. Hold on. Is it a curbside? No, it's not. It does have an engine, but it's not a complete engine. Okay. So, this brand is made in Italy. That's why it's called Italeri. I don't know how to say it. It's made in Italy, though. And we'll open it up really quick. I built one of these brands. It was the Mercedes. I forget the model Mercedes. I can't even remember. Here's the decal sheet. It was under the bottom. It's a teeny little guy. They look great. Look really good. This kit is from 1990. So that's when this kit is from. So it has some age. A little different box. Usually the Testors kits slide out. I don't like those. I like this better. So we got this opened. And first, let's just check the old body out, because these are great for getting smashed and the pillars getting distorted like that Porsche that I received. But they didn't even put that thing in a box when they shipped it. These folks boxed this one up. Alright, here's the body. What a fat... Look at that. That is some kind of sleek. I already see the difference with the brands. Fujimi, there was absolutely no sanding required. This one has a parting line here, which is not bad. A little parting line right there. Overall, a little bit of scratches, a little bit of flash around the edges, which that's... Get this darn box out of the way. It really has its attention on that box. So, anyway, it's a nice looking kit. Nice looking car. Yeah, that parting line right there. There's that. Here is... Get this opened a little better. I'm struggling with it here. Here are the wheels that need to be completely stripped of their chrome and re-chromed, because they don't look good. That's not the realistic chrome that you want there. That's the... Look at me, I'm a toy. And like most of the holes are even clogged up with the chrome. So yeah, that's no good there. Anyway, no problem. Throw them in the old purple power, and the chrome will be right off of those, and then you can chrome them yourself. Get the glass out and protected. So, man, is the back window... So check this out. It's got this ginormous front windshield and side windows. And hey, look at that. It's even got like a sun visor-ish area right there, looks like. But then the back window, look how small this thing is compared to the front. See this big glass, and look at the back, the rear window, because it just goes like, I guess, if that is the rear window, I think it is. It would just fit way back here, like you barely have a back glass, because it's all engine behind the driver, and then the headlights are right there. Headlights right there. All right, and some other little lights and things like that. Some suspension stuff. Looks really nice. Got the CV axle. What's upside down, but CV axle suspension with the coilovers. Looking nice. The rack and pinion. Door panels. Got some exhaust. It looks like exhaust, and then your brakes. It's got brake rotors. Uh-oh, there was a part that just came off. Make sure that gets in the box. Some sort of axle. So, looking nice. Boy, look at the big piece of sprue left on there. Look at that. Crazy. Alright, this part just fell off. Alright, so here is your hood, or your engine cover. Right there, louvered out. This is the rear part of the car. Isn't it? Okay, that goes under. Oh, that wraps around the bottom somewhat. If you notice this picture here, it's got that where those black grills are. That's like, I don't know what's top and bottom here. Okay, that's upside down. That's why it looks funny. It goes like this. Oh, I see now. Okay, so there we go. It looks right. And it's got the place for the decal right here. And here is either something that covers that, or it's the underside of the front. And I don't know what these things here. Oh yeah, I do. I think these are these scoops right here, possibly right there. I think that's what those are. Here's your nose. So there's the front of it, and a part of a spoiler of some sort. Not many parts with this kit, which is, you know, it's kind of fun to build one that's on a low parts count. Like this is basically a curbside, but it does have an engine, but it's not a shake those bags out. Make sure you're not losing any parts. Okay, so here is the tires, chassis. Well, it's about to fall off too, might as well. So there's the chassis. No detail here because you wouldn't see it, but you've got some detail under the bottom. Got some rivets. Rivet. That was rivet, not ribbit. I'm not a frog. So it looks pretty decent. It's not the same quality as that Fujimi kit. Not that it was even made to be, because this is tons less parts and detail. Here is the looks like the bottom portion of the engine, which is cool that it actually has a bottom portion. Dashboard, big old Mac Daddy dashboard with the IBM computer built into the center right there. Top portion of the engine, which looks pretty good still. And check that out right here. My battery's about to die on the camera. I'll be changing the battery here in a second. Look at that. Lamborghini intake for the fuel injection. Here's your tub where you're, oh cool, check it. So I can get it to zoom on there. Got the 6-place, the gated shifter. That's too cool. Got nice looking seats and some other suspension, front end, mirrors, windshield wiper, huge Mac Daddy. I already said Mac Daddy once, can't say it twice in one video. Big, ginormous, that's what I'll use, ginormous windshield wiper. Looks like a single windshield wiper they had. And the steering wheel, column, and rearview mirror. So that's pretty much it, except for the tires. But I'll be right back because this battery's about to die. Stand by. Okay, well, I'm going to make this quick because Ruthie uses this camera also, and yeah, the battery's not charged. Let's open up these tires and check them out. Ugh. Ugly tires. Straight up ugly tires. They remind me of the old AMT, the tires that AMT put in everything. Remember it had the big, it's like mud grips. Yeah, this is ugly tires. I mean, zero realism, okay? Oh, the battery's already flashing dead. Alright, this is going to be a quick video, guys. Let you take a look at these tires, or the tread pattern. You could really do some rally racing with them. But realistically, nah. Alright, guys. We can wrap this up. Thanks for watching. The Lamborghini Diablo by Testors, made by Italeri. Cool kit. It will get built. I'm liking these exotics, but hey, don't forget, go check out Hobby Nut Models where the paint would be applied or be bought for this, provided from Hobby Nut Models. Thanks, Mark, for your support at Hobby Nut. It's linked in the description below. Check out all the other links that are in the description below, guys. I can't talk very much longer because the battery light is flashing right there, and I've got to get off of here. But thanks for my support. From you guys for getting me where I'm at. Thanks to my Patreon members, and hey, we will see you guys on the next box opening or build or whatever. But thanks guys for your support. We will see you later. Bye.